So I bought this for the Airbnb. I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute. This looks nicer than this. In fact, it is. Bought it on Marketplace. I tried to order it on Amazon, but they canceled the order. So yeah. I haven't been in my office much because ta-da! Furniture. I don't know, I could work from here, it wouldn't be a problem, da 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 da. But for me, this and this, yeah, this is too much. This is the coffee table that we bought. It's from Bouclair. And this is the, what do you call it? Console table that we bought as well. So we also bought this coffee maker that uses the coffee grounds and the K-cups. So yeah, they'll have option. Oh, and you can also boil tea. I just try and find little savings here and there. So I found this on Marketplace for $80. So I've been running vinegar cleaning solution through it. I've did it 3 times. 1 time for the water, 2 times for the coffee. So I think it should be pretty clean now. Yeah, this looks clear enough. Guys, you know, I'm looking a little salty. I'm even going out of sun. I'm looking a little salty, and I don't mean Himalayan pink salt. I mean, look like iodized table salt. I need some tan. Oh my goodness. Okay, my coffee's done, so I'm gonna make that. And it's 9:17. I went to the gym yesterday, so I don't think I'm gonna go today. Guys, the other gym popped me down. When I say pop down, I mean pop down. I'm gonna really dip on the burger, extra fingerlings with my coffee this morning. Just going to add some creamer from the fridge and just call it a day. How are you guys doing? Guys, I feel like we haven't chatted in a long time. How are you guys been? I mean, I've just been coming here doing hauls. I haven't really been like sitting down and talk to you guys. How have you guys been doing in this economy, guys? What y'all think about this trade war with US and the rest of the world? I can't even say US and Canada, but Canadians, how do you feel? Like, has it been impacting you? Like, I've purposely been staying away from the news because I don't want to get to a point where I am too overwhelmed and with things that I cannot control. And it's not me trying to choose ignorance in the situation. It's me just, can I control anything that's happening with the trade war? I cannot. What I can control is the things that are immediately around me. So I'm going to use my energy and focus it on my family. I'm going to use my energy and focus it on my basement bill. I'm going to use my energy and focus it on my job. I'm going to use my energy and focus it on my channel. I'm going to use my energy and focus it on the people that I care about outside of my family. But otherwise from that, I don't give a shit. I don't care, guys. I don't care. Okay? I don't have the energy for that. Like, no, I don't. I'm so sorry. Nah, I really, like, I'll just watch the memes and I'll laugh and whatever, but I cannot change it. So I'm not gonna stress about it. My husband, I'm hearing him in my head saying, Shelone, eat food, make sure you eat, make sure you eat. So what I am going to do is I am gonna make some boiled eggs. And I love me some boiled eggs. See, guys, you see why I like this microphone? You see how far me there? I don't know, still can't hear me I say. But have you a shout on top of my voice because the camera there all the way over there? That's why I like this microphone and why it's like ideal for vlogging. I'm coming out the fridge bag. Yo, y'all know me was, do you guys know that video where like a Caribbean mom's son made 6 BBC eggs? 6 clad eggs, Steve? 6 clad eggs? Well, it's when you reach that family of 4, 6 clad eggs becomes the norm, like for every day. Because if me say me want 2 egg, and if Darren say me want 2 egg, and then 1 egg per kids, it's 6 clad eggs every single day. I've had to be buying 60 eggs in Costco at a time. Well, how much that? 60 eggs? Oh, 5 dozen? Yeah. I've been buying 5 dozen eggs in Costco. Thanks for choosing Precision Hyundai. Yeah, I took my car to the dealership. Guys, Mr. Guys. Guys, Mr. Guys. I crash up my car, you know? I never tell it no one different part of the vlog here, but I'm gonna say it again. The side mirror. Fixed that yesterday. Oh yeah, I probably did. Oops. Oops. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next side of all of this nonsense.